Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech World. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into Kotak credit card account. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Start by opening up your web browser in the search box at the top, type in code or credit card login and press enter. First, you need to go ahead and log into your net banking account with Kotak. So click on this first Kotak net banking link at the top on the next page. Go ahead and enter your CRN or username or even your card number in the first field. If you'd like the system to remember your information, click on this Remember Me box. But if you're using a public device or a shared computer, make sure to uncheck this box, the sun moving on. After you're done, click on the next button. On the next field, type in your password. You can double-check your password by clicking on this little show link at the right side. In case you've forgotten your password, click on Generate Password link and follow the instructions. Finally, after you're done, click on Secure Login. Soon after you're logged into your account, you'll be able to see a credit card tab. Tap it on and you can easily manage your credit card on the go. That is how you'll be able to log into your credit card account quick and easy using your desktop. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.